the weather is much cooler these days, but the days are shorter. So it's probably a good idea we wrap up this roofing project.
So you may be wondering what we did with all the raccoons. We did trap them and we moved them to a location where they would be safe and together, a place that they accepted the raccoons. So that was pretty cool. Unfortunately, we're still getting hit by one because we think there were 4. We only got 3. Fortunately, it's only digging up the mulch. It hasn't been going into our beds. So we've just been kind of dealing with it while watching this garden grow.
We were supposed to work on the roof today of the tiny house, but it's been raining off and on and it's super windy, so that's probably not a good idea. But there's plenty of work to be done in the garden, so we'll just do that instead. Here we have a compost cake. Not really. We're just rotating the bins. We wanted to let this pile rest, so we lifted up the plastic and put it over here, and we will be putting our food scraps in here while this breaks down more undisturbed.
We have had the loveliest cooler weather these past few days down here in South Florida. It's just really nice to be outside and work. Every day we can come out to this garden and we can harvest something. We can eat something from the garden. If it's not lettuce greens to make a salad, or mustard or bok choy for, you know, like a stir fry, it's beans. Oh my God.
Wow, what a difference.
Really blows your mind. You know, it's good to know that we're doing something right.
So yummy.
I mean, that's all you can hope for. And then of course next season we'll be that much better at it. Just a little bit better. Every year, a little bit better, and making more food.